Let me know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tig, and today we have something just simple and light. We're going out to a dealership to check out a surprise. Follow us through the journey. Hopefully you guys do like the surprise, and hopefully you might get a little toy to play with on the channel. Just stay tuned, like the video, subscribe. We catch up when we get there. I know we just got to the location here at LAauto.com, I believe. And I'm trying to get this M4. Hopefully everything goes through. Give them a tour, show them around. Hopefully it goes through. Guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, if we should get the car or not. If y'all say yeah, we get the car. You guys think we should trade in the Camaro to get the M4, or do we do both if it's possible? That's the question we have next. Trade in the Camaro for the M4 or do both? That's a question I don't know, y'all. Please help me out with this. I know it's the middle of the pandemic, but hey, if we could afford it, we do both. If we can't, we have to sacrifice on which one should we keep, the Camaro or the M4. Hopefully we could test drive the M4 today and see how it actually drives, how it moves. You guys know that's one of my favorite dream cars. If I'm able to get it, I'll be happy. If I'm able to keep both, I'll be the happiest man alive. But let's see what dealership tells you. You can't test drive the car you want to buy unless they run their credit. Now that's strike one. That's the shit I don't like. That's a strike one. What kind of shit is you can't test drive the car until we run your credit, man? I bought too many cars in my lifetime for me to, you want me to run my credit before I could test, man. Excuse my language, man. F out of here with that shit. Follow me through, guys, we walking through this dealership. I guess that's probably their best car that they have. All right, guys, they also do have another M3. No, an M3 instead of an M4. Let's check that out. Let's see if that one actually looks good. Either ways, man, I think this is an admission. I'm always doing admission. That should probably be the channel name, admissions. But you see what this M3 looked like. What year is this one?
That's a 16 too.
What price is this one going for?
That one, oh, actually that's a 17. 17 is going for
It has camera, front camera.
44.
I could see.
Solid.
I could see.
Yeah.
Front camera. Damn, this is whack, bro.
All right, come through. All right, guys, we have a 2017 M3, not competition. Come through. Yeah, I like the color so far. I need the wall. Got the white seats like I like. I like the Phil Gully in the inside. Nah, man, this the problem being 6'5", man. Whoever just drove this is one short mother lover. Hey, but for real, hey, he's get in the car, get in the car, get in the car, man.
Study.
And what kind of accent? Huh? What kind of
coming out, they hit me on the side right Alright guys, I am feeling this one.
Oh shit!
I like this one. This might be the new toy for the channel, y'all. This might be the new toy, man. I'm feeling this. The armrest. Oh yeah, got the slide up. Is it touchscreen? Nah, you still got it. I'm gonna miss the touchscreen, but everything sounds. I like this though. I might still think about it. The engine still looks perfect. I like the carbon fiber. Hopefully y'all like this one. This right here. Guys, man, we are leaving the dealership. It was an admission, man. These people were trying to get me to run my credit without giving me the right numbers or even letting me test drive the car, man. If you're coming all the way out here, man, don't check these people out for real, man. Not to be, I'm never on no hating stuff, but man, that ain't cool what they do out here. They try to lowball people here, man. If you coming out here, I'm just telling y'all, be careful, man. There's people, man. These car dealerships, especially during these times, man. But hey, we're still looking for another car to add to the channel. Don't worry about it right now. We're finna go grab some food. After done eating, that should probably be it for the video, man. All right, guys, we just got back to Izu's house. Ended up getting LAX tacos. Got some burritos. Is ready to go, man. Really like the BMW M3 that we saw, the white one. You guys, please let me know what y'all think about it. Leave the comments down below if we should get it. If you say so, we're gonna try our best to get it. I promise you guys that. But besides that, it's a wrap. About to go destroy these. We catch you on the next one, all right?